जन जन
Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi concludes Japan visit, departs for Papua New Guinea on second leg of his three-nation tour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses a G7 session at Hiroshima, calls for reform of United Nations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews progress of work of State Zoological Park located at Umtriu village in Ribhoi, says execution of the project is on the right track. And massive fire destroys 131-year-old KGP Girls High Secondary School. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma pledges to provide 1 crore rupees for rebuilding of the school. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has departed for Papua New Guinea for the second leg of his three-nation tour to Japan, the country itself and Australia. Modi will jointly host the third summit of the Forum for India-Pacific Islands Cooperation jointly with his Papua New Guinea counterpart James Marape tomorrow. FIPIC was launched during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Fiji in November 2014. It includes India and 14 Pacific Island countries. The United Nations and the Security Council will remain just a talk shop if they do not reflect the realities of the present world, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Sunday, strongly pitching for reform of the global body. In an address at a G7 session in Hiroshima, Modi wondered why different forums have had to deliberate on issues relating to peace and stability when the UN was formed to deal with these challenges. The Northeastern Hill University Shillong and Gujarat University today embarked on a new journey of collaborating by e-launching the Gujarat Bhawan in Nehu campus, followed by the launch of a certificate course in natural farming, agripreneurship and cooperatives. The launching of the Gujarat Bhawan and the certificate course took place during the National Seminar on Organic Farming in Northeast India, a vision towards sustainable agriculture, livelihood and nutritional security. Gujarat Governor Acharya Devrat graced the occasion as the chief guest. Syndicate members of Gujarat University were also present on the occasion. In his speech, Devrat congratulated NEHU and IISGU for working together for the benefit of the academic society and the country at large.
Our body is nothing just like a
रोज और अश्वगंधा को फर्मेंट करके इसमें जो ऑर्गेनिक ईस्ट है, प्रोबायोटिक ईस्ट है, लैक्टिक
इन 6 महीने में इन दोनों विश्वविद्यालयों ने जो संकल्प लिया था आज उसको परिपूर्ण होते हम देख रहे हैं। इसके लिए मैं दोनों ही संस्थान गुजरात विश्वविद्यालय और अपना जहां उपस्थित हैं दोनों विश्वविद्यालयों के कुलपति महोदय को और हमारे जितने भी अधिकारी यहाँ पर आए हैं मैं उन सबको श्री PS शुक्ला जी, श्री सुधांशु जांगिड़ जी, डॉक्टर BK मिश्रा जी को इस सफल आयोजन के लिए बहुत-बहुत बधाई।
Meghalaya government is expecting to open the State Zoological Park located at Umtriu village in Ribhoi district by August 15th next. We hope that the people from Independence Day onwards can actually visit this zoo, said Chief Minister Conrad Sangma after conducting an inspection to review the progress of the ongoing construction work of the zoo on Saturday. The Chief Minister was accompanied by former MLA of Umsning, Jason Saukumi Maulong, and officials from the Forest Department. Speaking to media persons after the inspection, Sangma said that it is expected the infrastructure would be ready within the next 45 days. After getting necessary clearances from the centre and the concerned authorities, The government should be able to officially open the zoo with all its animals and infrastructure by August, he said.
I have been told that we expect the infrastructure to be ready within the next 45 days. That is within the month of July. We are hoping that after all the clearances that are given from Government of India and the concerned authorities, we will be able to officially inaugurate the zoo with all the animals and all the infrastructure ready by August.
In the early hours of Sunday, a devastating fire broke out at the 131-year-old Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Girls High Secondary School, resulting in the complete destruction of the institution. The boarders residing in the adjacent boarding house narrowly escaped the flames and were immediately shifted to Community Hall Mission compound. The cause of the fire has not been ascertained and no casualties have been reported so far. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma later in the day visited the school. Sangma assured that the government will do its bid in rebuilding the school and announced an amount of 1 crore rupees shall be provided to the management and authorities. The school was established in 1882. South Shillong MLA and BJP leader Sanbor Shulai on Saturday released several developmental schemes worth over 12 crore rupees for the constituency. These schemes are sanctioned under Urban Smart City, SUWP and PWD roads, among others. Under these schemes, apart from the construction of roads, street lights, drainage system, a lot of other work will be done in the constituency. Speaking on the occasion, he hoped that these schemes would benefit the people of the constituency immensely. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh yesterday inaugurated the Lauba Primary Health Centre in the presence of Mausanram MLA Olan Singh Sun, East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R. M. Kurba and other officers of the Health and Family Welfare Department at a program held at the premises of the PHC at Lauba, East Khasi Hills District. Speaking at the inaugural function, Dr. Lyngdoh said that the government is committed to ensuring better health services to the people of the region, and the PHC is testimony to the efforts to make quality healthcare accessible to the people in urban and rural areas. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 24.5 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 13.8 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 62%, rising to 92% in the evening with 6.2 millimeters of rainfall. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi concludes Japan visit, departs for Papua New Guinea on second leg of his three-nation tour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the G7 session at Hiroshima, calls for reform of United Nations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews the progress of work of the State Zoological Park located at Umtriu village in Rebhoi, says execution of the project is on the right track. And massive fire destroys 131-year-old KGP Girls High Secondary School. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announces to provide 1 crore rupees for rebuilding of the school. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.